Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Honda 3.7 V6 J37 engine, part of the well-regarded J-Series V6 family, was a larger displacement evolution primarily used in Acura's performance and luxury-oriented vehicles. While sharing many characteristics with its J35 sibling, the J37 aimed to deliver more power and torque, making it a fitting choice for heavier or sportier applications. Review and opinions. The J37 engine is generally praised for its strong and smooth power delivery, fitting well with the luxury and performance aspirations of the Acura vehicles it powered. Owners often appreciate its responsive nature and the refined driving experience it offers. Character. Similar to other J-Series engines, the J37 is known for its inherent smoothness and quiet operation. It provides a more robust punch than the J35, particularly in mid-range torque, without sacrificing much of the characteristic Honda refinement. Performance, typically producing around 300 to 305 horsepower and 270 to 275 lb-ft of torque. The J37 offered a significant upgrade in power over earlier J-Series engines. Its larger displacement helped provide a more relaxed power delivery, reducing the need to rev high for acceleration in daily driving. Driving experience. The J37 provides effortless acceleration for merging and passing, making it feel potent in applications like the Acura TL, SHAWD, and MDX. It complements the all-wheel drive systems well, delivering power smoothly to all four wheels. Refinement. Excellent NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness control is a hallmark of this engine, contributing to a premium cabin experience in the vehicles it powers. Advantages. Increased power and torque. The primary advantage over the J35, offering noticeably stronger acceleration and pulling power, especially beneficial for larger vehicles or those seeking a sportier feel. Smooth and refined operation. Continues the J-Series tradition of exceptional smoothness and quietness, enhancing the luxury appeal of Acura models. Proven reliability. With caveats at its core, the J37 benefits from the robust design of the J-Series. Many owners report high mileage with proper maintenance. Dual VTEC. Unlike some earlier J-Series that only had VTEC on the intake, some J37 versions, like the J37A2 and J37A4, featured VTEC on both intake and exhaust valves, allowing for even finer control over valve timing and lift for optimized performance across the RPM range. Disadvantages. Variable cylinder management, VCM, related oil consumption. This is the most significant and well-documented issue for the J37, as it affected a large number of these engines. The VCM system, designed to deactivate cylinders for fuel economy, could lead to excessive oil consumption due to piston ring issues. This could result in fouled spark plugs, misfires, catalytic converter damage, and ultimately, engine wear if not addressed. Timing belt maintenance. Like other J-Series engines, excluding the very latest DOHC versions, the J37 uses a timing belt. This necessitates a costly and critical service interval, typically 7 years or 105,000 miles per 168,000 kilometers, to prevent catastrophic engine damage. Fuel consumption. While offering more power, the J37 naturally consumes more fuel than smaller V6s or modern turbocharged four-cylinders. The benefits of VCM were sometimes offset by its associated problems or by aggressive driving. Automatic transmission concerns. Older models, while not an engine fault, the reliability of some automatic transmissions paired with earlier J-Series engines could be a concern, impacting the overall powertrain experience. Later ZF 9-speed transmissions also had their own set of characteristics and initial software issues in some Acura applications. Carbon buildup. Less common than in direct injection engines, while the J37 primarily uses port fuel injection, which washes the intake valves and helps prevent carbon buildup. Some very late models or specific applications might have combined direct injection, which could introduce carbon buildup issues. Faults and breakdowns. The most prevalent fault associated with the J37 engine is excessive oil consumption due to VCM-related piston ring issues. This was a widespread problem for which Acura issued service bulletins and sometimes extended warranties. Symptoms of VCM-related oil consumption: frequent need to add engine oil between oil changes, blue smoke from the exhaust, especially on startup or during acceleration after deceleration. Check engine light, CL, with misfire codes P0301, P0306 on cylinders affected by VCM. Fouled spark plugs on affected cylinders. Catalytic converter failure due to oil burning. Timing belt failure. If the timing belt is not replaced at the recommended interval, it can break, causing pistons to collide with valves, resulting in severe and costly engine damage. VCM muzzlers. Many owners of J37 and J35 engines with VCM opt to install aftermarket VCM muzzlers or disable devices. These devices typically trick the engine's ECU into thinking the engine is always under a load, preventing VCM from activating and thereby mitigating the oil consumption issue. While not an official Honda solution, many owners report success with this approach. Fuel consumption. Given its larger displacement and power output, the J37's fuel consumption is generally higher than smaller V6S or four-cylinder engines. Typical combined fuel economy for vehicles equipped with the J37: around 11 to 13 liters per 10 kilometers, 18 to 21 mpg US/22 to 25 mpg Imperial combined. The effectiveness of VCM in improving real-world fuel economy was often debated due to the oil consumption issues. Timing. The Honda 3.7 V6 J37 engine uses a timing belt system. Replacement interval. The recommended replacement interval for the timing belt on J37 engines is typically 7 years or 105,000 miles, 168,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. It is strongly advised to replace the water pump, timing belt tensioner, and idler pulleys at the same time, as these components are often the first to fail and can lead to timing belt failure. Oil type. For most J37 engines, Honda generally recommends 5W, 20 or 0W, 20 full synthetic engine oil, meeting API-SN or later specifications. Given the propensity for oil consumption, some owners opt for slightly thicker oils, e.g., 5W, 30, or specific high-mileage formulations if oil burning is observed, though it's always best to follow the manufacturer's specific recommendations from the owner's manual. Capacity. The oil capacity for the J37 engine is typically around 4.2 to 4.5 liters, approximately 4.5 to 4.8 US quarts, with a filter change. Maintenance. Due to the potential for VCM-related oil consumption, it is absolutely critical for J37 owners to regularly check their oil level, e.g., every 1,500 to 2,500 kilometers or 1,000 to 1,500 miles, and top it off as needed. Neglecting this can lead to critically low oil levels and severe engine damage. Versions and history. The J37 is part of Honda's J-Series V6 engine family, which originated in 1996. The 3.7L displacement was introduced to provide a more powerful option, especially for Acura's larger and more performance-oriented vehicles. Key design features, common to most J-Series. 60 degrees V-angle for compact, transverse mounting. SPHC, single overhead camshaft, per bank, with some J37 variants featuring VTEC on both intake and exhaust. Aluminum block and heads. Variable cylinder management VCM for fuel efficiency, though often problematic. PGMFI, programmed fuel injection, port injection. Notable J37 variants and applications. J37A1, 2007 to 2013 Acura MDX, the initial primary application. Produced around 300 horsepower. J37A2, 2009 to 2012 Acura RL used in the flagship sedan, providing 300 horsepower. This version featured VTEC on both intake and exhaust. J37A4, 2009 to 2014 Acura TL SHAWD, the most powerful J37 variant, producing 305 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. It also featured VTEC on both intake and exhaust, and was paired with Acura's super handling all-wheel drive SHAWD system for enhanced performance. The J37 engine represents Honda's push for more power in its V6 lineup for premium applications. While it delivered on performance and refinement, the well-known VCM-related oil consumption issue became its Achilles heel, requiring diligent maintenance and sometimes aftermarket solutions from owners. Despite this, with proper care and attention to oil levels and timing belt replacement, the J37 can be a robust and rewarding engine. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.